Hello, I'm Barry with CDRAFT. Thanks for checking out our videos. Today's video is on finished end commands E1 and E2. E1's on the left, E2's on the right. The same mechanics apply here as our filler commands, which was our first video. Check it out if you haven't already. First, we want to add a tag, which is TG spacebar. Pick my insertion point down there at the bottom. The reason I put that in is at the top right corner of the offset, that square will be our auto insert point. So we're going to move the cursor off to the high right. And let's do E1 for left hand finished end. The offset is simply the distance from the left to the right to where the cabinetry or countertops start being drawn in. The default for 3/8 is 16 inches. That's fine. It could be 0 or it could be 36, whatever you need it to be. Countertop height, we'll go with 36. Overhang, that's the countertop overhanging the finished end. 1 inch is the default, that's fine, spacebar through. Wall cabinet, we'll hit 84 inches. The default of 30 inches is fine, spacebar through. And we're gonna auto insert, so spacebar through. And there's our geometry and our annotations. Again, keep in mind the auto insert point has now shifted from the left to the right, so we can start drawing cabinetry. Let's do a wall cabinet, which is W2 for a 2-door, width 33, cabinet height I already put in with the finished end command. Number of shelves, let's do 6, just because we can. Number of cabinets, 3. We're not going to build from the right to the left, left to the right, so spacebar through the switch option. And we're going to auto insert, so spacebar again. And there's our 3 cabinets with our too many shelves. Now let's do base cabinets, and we want to align with what's going on up top. So let's do a B12 for a 1-drawer 2-door base cabinet. We already have our width because that will be the same as what we did above at the wall cabinets. We don't need to add the countertop height because we entered that in with the finished end command. Number of shelves, let's do 2. We need 3 to match up to what's above. We're not going to switch it, building from the left to the right, spacebar through, and we're going to auto insert, so spacebar through. And there's our cabinetry. That's about it for the finished end commands, other than neat little trick Harvey Cates came up with is the offset. The purpose of the offset is, say for example we have a wall on the left hand side and a refrigerator, and it's going to be, let's go to 38 inches. Now it goes right back into the same options as before. Countertop height 36, overhang of 1 is fine. It could be 0 if you wanted it to. It could be 12, doesn't matter. Wall cabinets will go 84, 30 inches. Let's spacebar through, keep that as the default. Now our insertion point, since I didn't kind of reset things, I'm going to pick my insertion point right here. Now you're going to notice that this offset here, what we're calling an offset, if I change the layers, now that's a wall. And so what I went ahead and did is right here on the center line of this floor, I created a appliance point. So I can type in refrigerator, which is a RF2, and I can auto insert my refrigerator, and I can continue on drawing my cabinets. So as you can see, it's just a much faster way of putting cabinets together. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos. Look forward to doing some more. Thanks.